welcome to U.S. Bank Stadium, and happy season opening Sunday to you.
Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Hey, leave it all on the green, boys, right?
Hey, I love you guys. I love the way you've worked all off season, man. We're ready for this. We're prepared, man. Let's play hard for one another. Let's go.
If you want it, go get it. Let's go.
Boys, we got to start this 2018 season to get this nasty taste out of our mouth from last year. But it's got to start right here, right now. And it starts with the boom. Boom! On offense, you're going to like what's on the menu, baby, because Cook is back in the kitchen.
They win the early downs, first and second, so they can go get the passer on third down.
First and 20 for Jimmy Garoppolo and the San Francisco 49ers. Takes a snap. The Vikings rush 4. Sheldon Richardson got loose, and Everson Griffin sacks Jimmy G. Sheldon Richardson set it up. Everson Griffin finished it off, and that's another loss for the Niners.
Thank you. Hey, that's a hell of a job, boy. That's a hell of a job. You did exactly what I told you to do. That's a hell of a job.
3rd and 3 from the Niners 22. Cousins shotgun. Short drop. Fade. End zone. And it's caught. Touchdown! Stephon Diggs!
Second and goal. Morris again. Morris is not going to get there. Ball may have come out. Waiting on a signal. The Vikings say they have it. They do. I mean, you want to talk about why this defense is #1 in the league. They may have bent a little bit there, but certainly not breaking as Joseph with the big strip.
Hey, good punt.
Good job, man. Good job. Good job. That's the way to keep working.
Niners 3 of 7 on third down. 3rd and 8 from their own 20. Garoppolo short drop, passes right. It's intercepted!
And a clear route to the end zone for Mike Hughes.
Welcome to the NFL, Mike Hughes. The Vikings lead 16-3.
Mike, no more. Now you big Mike. I like you, Jimmy. I like you, Jimmy.
Cousins, far side, wide open, Thielen, nobody there, keeps on running inside the 30. Where did everybody go? Offset eye, Cousins, pressure, he's in trouble, throws, what a catch, Morgan, through traffic. How on earth did that get completed?
Kirk Cousins, how did you get that pass off? Holy cow. Cousins shotgun, takes the snap, short drop, looks right, pats it, fires end zone, caught, touchdown! Cousins, Rudolph, 23-6 Minnesota.
When you get into the red zone, that's Kyle Rudolph's time.
Great job, baby. Big county. Kurt. Boom, baby.
If you throw that ball in his back to you, I promise you it'll never get picked up. All right. Ever.
It could be even higher. It could have been even higher.
That's gave me plenty of time to get my feet down, and we're in great trail.
See them hands still work a little bit. It's individual work.
Oh, he's hit and he's sacked. Jimmy got sacked from behind. It's Danielle Hunter.
Xavier Rhodes with a one-hander.
And they picked off Garoppolo 2 times. Most recently, X marked the spot.
Blitz coming. Everybody. Garoppolo buried.
On third down, a massive sack, and it was perfectly timed by Harry the Hitman.
So what do you need on a big play if you're a defensive player and a defensive fan of Minnesota? You call the fixer, number 22, Harrison Smith.
Play clock runs down to 2, runs down to 1.
Oh, they got him.
And the hard count got somebody to jump.
Unbelievable.
Garoppolo on 2nd and 10, passes over the middle, intercepted by Harrison Smith. He just daggered the Niners.
This team is still about their defense.
And the Minnesota Vikings, the kings of the North, have not only put Jimmy Garoppolo on the first loss of his career, they start 2018 1-0.